you can have a question coming in your exam asking that how will offer price decided in case of frequently traded shares and where the acquisition is an indirect one, and then they will give you uh, three of these options, okay, maybe four of these options, and they will ask you which price is to be considered if these four options were only available in case of this situation. And remember, the answer of course is very simple. The answer is it does not matter 60 days, it does not matter 26 weeks, it does not matter 52 weeks. What matters is the highest of the prices in case of all these pricing methodologies. And that is what you have to remember, and that is what you have to answer.